Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing too well. I'm your friend Smith and I welcome all of you on our channel Affiliate Millionaires Club. If you're new to this channel, first of all hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you will get all the notifications, because this channel is all about affiliate marketing, online business, mindset and motivation. So if you don't want to miss any video, come on, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. So today's topic is what affiliate tools, what marketing tools we required to boost up our online business and affiliate marketing business. So there are so many tools, but today I suggest you the 4 most important tools. You can use all the tools, whichever you find comfortable. But these 4 tools are must important. Okay, the very first one is you have a website, landing page, sales funnel, bridge page and squeeze page. This is very important. See, you need a land to run a business. You know, in the outside world, you need a land, you need a shop, you need a showroom, you need a place where you can run your business. But in the online marketing, we need a website. This is our land here. If you don't have a website, you will not do business here. So you must have a website here. Either you go for the free version or you can use the paid version. If you want to work like professionals, then I suggest you go for the paid. But if you want to make a free startup, you can use Wix, you can use WordPress, you can use Blogger, whichever you find comfortable, just go with it. Make your website. It's very important. So these things are also very important. Landing page, sales funnel, bridge page and squeeze page. I told you in the earlier videos that you don't send your traffic, your traffic directly to your product, directly to your affiliate link. Otherwise you will miss the contents. You don't know who visit your page, who visit your website. First of all, you have to capture their email. Your traffic, your product, in between there is you. There's your landing page. Your traffic must have to visit first your landing page, and you have to send your traffic towards your affiliate link. Here you have to capture their name, capture their email ID. It's very important to follow them, because our second tool is email autoresponder. We have to do email marketing and we have to put our business on the automation mode. So it's very important to follow up your customer. See, in the outer world, if a salesman comes into your home to give you a presentation of a product, after that he follows you. He make a call to you. So what's your plan? Here we have to follow our customers with the email autoresponder. So that's why capturing email, capturing email through the landing page, sales funnel, bridge page or squeeze page is very important, so that we have to follow the customer. Maybe your customer today don't require the product, maybe after a week, after a month or after a year it will require it. So we must need a follow-up. Okay, use email autoresponder. It's very important. Third one is traffic scanner. It's very important. So you must have to scan your traffic, that where you will get more and more traffic. See, you run your ads on the Bing, you run your ads on the Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram. There are so many ways to run your ads, to promote your products. You run your solo ads, but you must know where you will get more and more traffic. So from where you get, if you came to know that I get traffic mostly from the Google ads, you put more focus on Google ads. You invest more money on Google ads. So it's very important. It's all about the analysis, that where I get the most traffic, where I get the more and more customer. Your focus should get there more. Okay, so third one is traffic source, and the fourth one is market research tool. It's very important. So what this tool means, you have to use Ahrefs, similar web. There are more websites like this. Here you came to know about the customer demographics, that this product, the demand of this product is in which area, either in USA, either in Russia, either in America, either in Canada, either in India, either in Sri Lanka. So where is demand of this product is more, and which age category should want to purchase this product. It's all about the demographic. You have to visit these sites for the market search tool, and you have to also came to know about the keywords, which keywords are important and which keyword brings more and more traffic, and which keywords your competitors are used to boost up their website for the SEO tool. There are so many things. So you have to go for the market research tool. That is the fourth one. Use these tools. It's very important. I suggest you build all either. So see, you have to invest different on this one, you have to invest different on this one, you have to invest money different on this, you have to invest money different on this. But Builderall has these two things. You can make website on Builderall. There are so many, drag and drop tool in the Builderall. You can make your website very easy. You can write blogs here. You can make landing page there, sales funnel there, squeeze page there, bridge page there. You can use email autoresponder there. You can use animated videos to boost up your business. You can use Facebook chatbot. There are so many things in the Builderall which you can use to boost up your online marketing business. Okay, so I suggest you Builderall because it's very pocket friendly. It's very pocket friendly. Okay, it has all the tools which your business require to boom in online industry. So I will make a video on the Builderall. I will give you a review that why these tools help you to boost up your business. So these tools are must. Go and opt these tools and skyrocket your business. So it's all about the today video. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, have a great, fantastic and a energetic day.